Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. What we'll see will defy explanation.
Fly me to the moon and let me play amongst the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Oh, fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. Oh, you are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, in other words, I love you.
Hello ate, happy 18th birthday. So 18 years na, so naalala ko pa nung pinanganak ka. So yun yung pinakamasayang araw namin ni Mami. Siyempre, inaano namin na masunod yung mga pangarap mo, matupad yung mga pangarap mo, lalo na sa art, yung sa career na gusto mo, and very supportive kami sa amin, sa ano mo, sa mga pangarap mo. So happy birthday ate.
What is the name of our president? Kenneth A. Kempton. Are you sure? And the answer is Kuya!
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Jillian! Happy 18th birthday, Ate Jillian!
Running through the fire like it's wind all
Hello, good evening. Happy birthday, Ate Julia. A sister is someone special who fights with me, cares for me, plays with me, suggests things, and shouts at me at times. I'll be forever grateful for you for having a wonderful sister like you by my side.
Always stick together, yeah, you know it's just the way that we do. We get by, we always do.
Hello ate, happy birthday, happy 18th birthday for you. Sana itong birthday mo na to is maging happy ka, matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo, yung pagiging animator manager. Anak, enjoy lang yung party.
Thank you. Happy
Thank
birthday,
you,
ate.
happy birthday.
Always stick together, yeah, you know it's just the way that